Yesterday, she asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making rounds around here, while I've been trying to make things disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost should be smooth. So when you come back around after painting you down, you see I'm almost over you. You're such a sly one with your cold, cold heart. Maybe leaving came easy, but you joke. Time heals on and say, and I should know, 'cause it seems like forever. Now I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. So when you come back around after painting it down, you'll see.
Hindi ko diniretso.